Good morning guys, you will never believe what just happened. So, just away for my birthday, my boy's 22. Everyone's parked up here, except for one guy, he parked on the grass. And, hey Arwie, good morning man. Hey look, what's better bro?
What's better?
Yeah, we got it out. How do you feel man?
It's too early for this shit.
Happy birthday!
Alright, thanks, man.
What would you like to tell yourself?
I wanna kill myself.
Aren't you glad that you made it?
Thankful for another year.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, man. Blessed.
Glad to see what the future holds, huh?
Yeah, man. Hoping for the best in the future.
That's it. Stay positive.
Positive for once, huh?
I know.
Wanna kill myself.
Good afternoon, man. We're changing his oil today. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Yes, it's essential to change your oil because you need to get to your work, right? Exactly.
Even if we're locked down, fuck, I'm gonna get to work.
Exactly. You gotta change your oil. It's like filling up your car.
Exactly.
And washing your car. So you guys in Autobahn. We went to Autobahn. Got his stuff. What'd you get? Show us.
So I got
We went with 5W40 full synthetic. This is the one without the cooker. It's auto transferred. I've never heard of this brand, but
hey, she was cute.
it was cute. Bro, pay attention to the vlog. Alright, so jacked up the car. Took about 5 bolts. 2 roos, man. You gotta take this splash guard off just to take the oil filter. And undo that bolt there. But we're gonna get that done. Yeah. Where is it? It's big boy right here. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we're gonna let that run for a bit. Then we'll take the oil filter one out. You're gonna always keep this open. Alright, let air through. Alright, so putting on a second pair of gloves now. We're gonna undo the oil filter. And yeah, come have a look down here again. So we are going to need a wrench, an extender. Hopefully this one fits. Oh, here we go. Oh. So obviously you want to get gloves. Some gloves you can just throw away after you use it. Because you would not want to get oil on your fingers. Oh. So with the brand new one, you gotta just lube it up, baby. Yeah. Just gotta lube it up. Look at the size difference. That's so small. That's why I've never heard of Cooper before. It's alright. I mean, it'll be better to put it in. It's not about the size. It's about how you use it, man. Chugging a new one in. The bad boy. You don't want it to tighten it too much. Just how, you'll know. You'll just know. Right now, I can feel it. It just won't go anymore. Plus, when the engine warms up, it's gonna turn up anyway. So that's done. This nut. This nut. Oh yes. You want to tighten it, but you don't want to tighten it too much. Alright, that should do. You're gonna remove any extra excess oil, and then you're gonna give it a kiss and say, "I love you, puppy." So we are going with the Milan, aka not sponsored, but Penrite, please sponsor me one day. See Subaru right there. Yeah, gang, gang. Let me taste test. Well, let me put this still. And we've used up 4 liters. We're gonna add more later. Well, we're just gonna finish this up. Put the bloody splash guard back in. Alright, so everything's back on. Put the car down already. We're just gonna start it up now. Woo! I'm gonna let that warm up. I'm gonna let this warm up. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so sexy. Yeah, do some push-ups now. Give us 2, give us 2. That should do it. Yeah, you shake that booty. Shake that booty. I bet that's done. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Haven't seen you in a while.
No. Oh shit.
Oh, you nearly stole. That would have been,
Focusing, man.
bro. That would have been so funny. Yeah, that's it. Made him. Hey, so which one would you guys want? The auto? Hey, you should get this.
It's yours, bro, but
Stainless, yeah?
yeah.
He's got a red.
You should get the roof spoiler as well, mate. Get the roof spoiler as well. Oh, his is the badge as well, guys.
Oh, I thought you put in the thing.
I did, but
It's like condensation and shit.
not really.
Good morning. We are saying goodbye to the yellow fogs today. Show the viewers what we're putting on today. Oh yes, baby. Hey, sponsor me.
They're nice stuff.
Oh. Are they plug and play?
Sort of. Look at that finish.
What's
though,
the
bro.
difference, bro?
Oh, I'll show you, bro.
Is it? Oh, it's brighter, yeah.
Much brighter, bro.
Oh yeah, that one only has like 1. It's got 4. You should have just done what I did. I just put 2 quick release. That's it. That's what I have. Just the 2 quick release on the side, and just some zip ties. Cause that's what happens when you drive. That's what happens when you drive turbo 34s. You gotta be prepared for the track.
Oh, yeah.
Also, I didn't know this as well, but one of the cool features of this car, this thing right here, it actually washes your headlights. That must be nice, man. Okay, so first you're gonna take those off.
Bro, I don't know how many times I've tried to take this off, take the bumper off without taking this off, and I'm like,
Stupid.
why the fuck is it coming off?
That's the eye, baby. Is that it? Yeah, I'll undo the other side.
Oh, there's something else that I fucking forgot.
Oh my goodness, that's it. It's easy as that. Bro, imagine if your car was this slammer. Alright. It's a nice yellow. But he wants it brighter, because... Yeah. Nah, but honestly, imagine if your car was that slammed.
I'm driving like this, bro.
Yeah, I hate that so much.
We're unbolting the entire thing.
It's just 2 screws, guys. Useless. Oh, yeah. Why did you stick tape it?
Because it wasn't holding in.
What?
I sanded it all down.
Why?
It didn't fit, so I sanded it all down.
Custom, baby. Custom. Oh, this is the mount. You get stickers, bro? That's all you care about, yeah? Just the stickers.
Yeah, I spent $300 for stickers.
Bro, who reads that? Just do it. Just do it.
Like these nuts.
I said the bracket, and you got your nuts, these nuts on the side, and they make it super easy with the use a hex key. But that should be it, right? And then these you screw on.
Yep.
Yup.
It's like a warning thing.
Warning, don't worry about the warning, just send it.
No, I'm supposed to like point it down or something.
Who cares? You'll be fine. And you have 2 screws, just sits right there. How come they made it in the other side as well? Is it optional?
I don't fucking know why they did it on the other side.
They got 4 holes here, so... Bang! I didn't hear a click, bro.
I can't push it in anymore.
Yeah, that one should go. The black one. No, that one goes into your main one, yeah. It's the black one, I'm telling you. Is it too? Yeah, there it is. All the way. Oh, yeah. I want to hear that click. What a clickbait. Oh, yes. Hey! That's bright, bro. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna do the other side now as well. Yeah. Oh yeah. That looks nice. Thanks, man. Here with my date. This is a all you can eat. Unlimited times. That's just how it is, you know? Look at that. Wait, did you ask him if we're 1 hour or 2 hours already?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
So what's this going to be like? We're just going to document everything that's happening.
Yes, is that okay?
For anyone watching, Leo's full name is